In this video, we are going to see how we can install Parrot OS on VMware. Parrot OS is a Linux distribution based on Debian with focus on security and pen testing. It is designed for ethical hackers and pen testers. Parrot OS may be viewed as a completely portable laboratory for a wide range of cybersecurity operations, from pen testing to reverse engineering and digital forensics. And Parrot OS is the default attacking environment on CEH exams. You can download Parrot OS ISO image from their official website. You can then open VMWARE and install the ISO file. Let's move towards the demonstration. Open the official website of Parrot Security. Move towards the download section. And click on download. And your ISO image will start downloading. Once you have downloaded the image, open VMware. Select to create a new virtual machine. Click on Next. Choose your Parrot OS ISO file. Select the operating system as Linux Ubuntu. Give it a name. Select your disk size. You can customize your hardware. I like to put my network adapter in bridge mode. And click on Finish. Now power on this virtual machine. Once the main screen appears, select Try/Install to install the Parrot OS. And Parrot OS will automatically start installing on our VMware disk. And after a few minutes, the main desktop will appear. You can click on I finished installing. Now open the terminal and you can run different commands like who am I. You can switch to root user with the command sudo su.